This video will demonstrate how to set up your Chiefs table on Election Day. Make sure that everything is clearly laid out. This will help you to be more successful during Election Day and during closing procedures. Here are the supplies you will want to have on your Chiefs table. Voter forms include voter registration application, request for assistance form, affirmation of eligibility, and completed voter referral worksheets. Provisional materials include provisional ballot log, provisional ballot envelopes, provisional ballot notices. Numbered envelopes and pouches include number 1A green envelope, number 1B green envelope, number 2A envelope, number 4 envelope, number 8 envelope, number 2 blue pouch, and number 7 orange pouch. Your admin poll pad and printer, your Chiefs notebook and extra writing pad, your Chiefs notes, and the Virginia Code. Make sure to leave some space at your table or at another table close by to assist non-routine voters. Setting out these supplies at the beginning of the day will help you find items easily during voting hours and will help you make closing procedures more efficient.